More snack food recalls out tonight, and the major concern, all these popular brands are geared toward kids. Tonight, Goldfish crackers taken off the shelves because they could have salmonella. The whey powder used may be contaminated. That's just one day after Ritz crackers pulled several of its products for the same reason. The CDC says salmonella is actually more common than we realize. Every year, about 23,000 people wind up in the hospital because of it, and kids are at the highest risk. That's not all. These are also under a recall. Swiss rolls, Mrs. Freshly's, and Great Value brands, Hungry Man Chipotle barbecue wings, raw turkey, and pre-cut melon. Even Honey Smacks should all be thrown out.